In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to create and start your own blog. There are several different blog places you can use. There's Blogger, there's EduBlogger, which is what I'm on right now. This is for teachers, and it's a much more locked down version for your students and for teachers. If you're going to have a classroom blog where you're going to keep in touch with parents and the kids are going to write, I would highly recommend EduBlogs if you want to stay within a Google product. If you're going to make this more as a teacher resource or somewhere for teachers to go, not necessarily parents or students, but more just other teachers, then I would go to Blogger because you have more abilities and it's not as locked down. There's also WordPress, Typepad. There's hundreds of different, maybe thousands of different blogs. But today I'm going to show you Blogger. And the reason I've chosen Blogger and EduBlogs is because I really like the way that it connects with Google. And I'm very much a Google proponent. So we're going to go to Blogger, and you can see it's blogger.com. And you can see you can have, like Google sites, you can have more than one blog. And to start a new blog, you have to, of course, have a Google account. Make sure you are signed in, and then click on New Blog. Create a title for your blog. So I'm going to title this Doxy Duo Learning Today, since I already have one. And then I generally keep it picture window. And again, I don't choose a template. I will fix this later and I can update it, and I'll show you all kinds of different things that you can do with your blog. So picture window is a nice one to have. And then put in your URL. And you'll see here it is, so that when someone says, send me a link to your blog, there it is, doxyduolearningtoday.blogspot.com. And create your blog. So once it's created, you can look, and Google's going to ask you, do you want us to find if this domain is available? So you can search. And so if you want to buy the custom domain where you get rid of the .blogspot, you can do that, and Google is a way to do that. So you can see doxyduolearning.today.com and how much it costs. I'm not going to do that today, but here is my blog, and I can go up to view blog, and I'm going to go to just my regular Doxy Duo Learning. So here's what my blog looks like. And here's my About Me. Now my profile is set up throughout Google, so once I do that once, I don't have to do it again. It will automatically put that in. So up on my taskbar here, you can see I have my Gmail account. I have a new post, the design, I can sign out. So I'm going to go into design because this is the main functioning of my blog. So this is what my blog looks like live. This is what it looks like on a mobile device. Again, here are my different customizations I can do, and I have picture window, which I'm going to just keep to that. Then I have the side over here, and I have some different settings. So if I wanted to do a new post, and in a blog, a post is something where you're talking. So a blog is much different than a website. A blog is where you're actually writing, and the whole purpose of a blog is to write and to talk and have discussions. So in this first one, I'm just going to say, welcome to my Doxy Duo blog. Here's my post, and I'm going to make this a little larger so you can see it. Then I would type, hello everyone, and continue on. Welcome to my blog. I hope you will enjoy the learning that I share on this blog. And I would continue on. Then I'm going to add labels. Labels are important in a blog because it's going to help you set things up when you want to set up pages or templates. So you really should add labels, excuse me, to all of your blogs. So this one I'm just going to put a welcome. And that's really the only label I'm going to do. I'm going to click done. I can look at different options. Do I want to allow reader comments? Do I want to, what do I want to allow people to do that are reading my blog? And then I'm going to save it. And when I'm ready, I can publish it. So here is my first post. I have one post, and the label right here is welcome. I can edit this, view it, I can share it, I could delete it, I can do all kinds of things to it. So when I go into my blog, here it is. And I have no comments on it, which is fine. I also have my blog archive, and the blog archive is actually a very important part of a blog because it lets people know what you have been writing about. So it's important to have a blog archive. And it may just come up automatically. If not, we will have it come up through when you learn how to do your layouts. So that is how you start a blog. And if you have any questions, please post on Doxy Duo Learning, and I will help you out. Until later.